Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you magic in this video. I know you can do it. It's very easy and simple. So let's start. I have created a new document in Adobe Illustrator and will take a rectangle to the entire artboard and will make it black. Then just press Ctrl 2 to lock the object. Then you must have to be sure that this option document raster effect setting must be in 300 resolution. Then just go to this for a circle escape tool and then just press Alt Shift for a proper circle. And press Alt Shift for a duplicate circle and make it little bit bigger. And just select to these two objects and go window pathfinder and choose this option exclude. After this just right click on this object and make it ungroup and select the upper part and delete it. So you must have to be the black color background color on this object color same color. Background and the object color must be same color. Just make it little bit bigger and then go window appearance and then click on this symbol and add new stroke, and this fill must be highlighted. The fill must be highlighted. Then I change the stroke color, make it cyan color, and just bump up the stroke weight. And then go add new effect, blur, Gaussian blur. Just on this preview option, and you can adjust here as you like, as you want. Then I will add one more stroke, add new stroke. Then I will make it white color and the stroke 1 point. Then I will go again add new effect, blur, Gaussian blur, and make the preview option, just make it little bit blur. And then I will make one more, add new stroke, and this stroke color will be little bit some bluish color, and the stroke weight bump up. You have to bump up the stroke weight, and then go again add new effect, blur, Gaussian blur, just preview option. You can adjust here. Then go again add new stroke, and we'll make it cyan color again. Just bump up the stroke weight. Then go again blur, then go again add new effect, blur, select this object, go again to add new effect, blur, Gaussian blur, make the preview option, adjust here. So as you can see that here is the magic ready for you. You can do it easily, and then select this object, expand appearance. So guys, thank you for watching the video.